Good afternoon, and welcome to the IamSaved2.com Daily Words with Rev Turner. Today your daily words will come from Mark chapter 5, verse number 19, and it reads as follows. But Jesus refused to permit him, but said to him, Go home to your own family and relatives and friends, and bring back word to them of how much the Lord has done for you, and how he has had sympathy for you and mercy on you. This scripture is based around the story of the man that was trapped in the tombs, that was possessed by the many demons. There were so many demons, they were called legions. Well, Jesus Christ came on a boat to this particular area where the demon-possessed man lived. When he saw Jesus from afar, he ran up to him, and the first thing he did, he recognized Jesus, and he immediately began to worship him. So what Jesus seen him in his desperate times and desperate measures, and seeing the evil that was full of him, and even the evil that lived within inside this man, recognized Jesus, asked him for permission to bring us out, give us permission to jump in the swine. And when the demons came out of the demon-possessed man, it freed the man. So Jesus just reminded him that, I have done a lot for you. Now your life has been miraculously changed by me. So immediately, and even with us nowadays, when we feel like Jesus Christ has done something good for us, when we had a good time at church, or, you've seen a miracle come, you don't want to leave. You want to just hang out with, other godly people. Or you may want to, hang around the pastor if he delivers a great word. I don't know what situations we get into, but that's some of it. But when, of course, when Jesus done this miracle for this man, he realized the right thing for the man to do. The man, of course, wanted to follow the Messiah, but Jesus told him, go home. I don't know exactly, it doesn't really specify the length of time. I guess he had been out there for quite a long time, but I'm sure the man had family, friends, and relatives before he got possessed by the demons, and was set in the tombs and up in the caves away from everybody. He had been gone for a long time. So Jesus recognized this and told the man, you go home. That's the topic for today. Just go home. Sometimes it just take those instructions, even when you feel like you can do something else. If you haven't been around your family, or haven't seen your family in a while, or even a better part of a day, just go home. You can do good there. Let them see your family. Let your friends and your relatives see what God has done for you in your life. Take your witness with you to the street, but you also need to let them know in your home more and more and more. That builds a strong home. It builds strong character. It builds a strong foundation for you. If you have that same power that has been delivered unto you, delivered unto your home, it'll make a better life and a better foundation for you. That's why he told the man, go home. Sometimes we just need to go home, be around family and friends, even when we've been distressed and we feel like a miracle has been done for us. We want to spread that word more and more. But just like this man that was demon-possessed, if you're having a hard time and Jesus has done something great for you, just go home sometime. Let him direct your path. If he tells you to go home, then you go home. That's a great word. The home is where our bases are, and we can learn so much from being at home. Get rekindled for the fight and be ready for the next thing to take place. So go home. Mark chapter 5, verse 19. Daily words, IamSaved2.com. The number 2, Rev Turner. It's been your daily words. We'll see you upon tomorrow. Go home. Bless you.